Welcome to this quick 2025 guide on how to turn Microsoft Family Safety on and off. Whether you want to enable parental controls, manage screen time, or temporarily disable restrictions, this tutorial will walk you through every step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control family safety settings on any Windows device. Let's get started. First is go to the Windows search bar and search for the control panel. Once you're on that page, click the Windows Defender Firewall. Next is click the Allow on App or Feature. Then click on Change Settings. From there, find the family and click on it. Now you can turn on and off it. And that's all for today's guide. Now you know exactly how to switch Microsoft Family Safety on and off in 2025. Perfect for managing supervision whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.